A very good afternoon and welcome you all in the another session of filling the blanks. So let us start. Ships are dash. Ships are dashed by giant engines. Ships are dashed by giant engines. Dragged, sailed, pulled, driven. So ships क्या होती है? Sail होती है, drag होती है, pull होती है, driven होती है. What is this? Ships are dashed by giant engines. तो ships हमेशा आपकी क्या होती है? Anybody?
Second option.
Yes, it is second option. That is sailed. Is it clear? That is sailed. Ships are sailed by giant engines. Next. Krishna's stories dash me very strangely. Affected, changed, afflicted. So here your answer will be affected. That is second option. Krishna's stories affected me very strangely. Affect मतलब क्या होता है कि changes produce हो गए हैं. Is it clear? It means to change the to produce a change. And what do you mean by afflict? That is fourth option. Afflict means unpleasant way में affect होना. Is it clear? To means unpleasant way में affect होना. Next. By morning, the fury of the floods. By morning, the fury of the floods dash ebbed, receded, retired, abated. So here, what will be the answer? That is abate. By morning, the fury of the floods abated. That is the fourth option. Abated means to become less strong, to make something less strong. तो जो floods की fury थी morning तक क्या हो गया था कम हो गई थी. That was बहुत ज्यादा कम हो गया था flood. That is abated. What do you mean by the term ebbed? E-double-B-E-D. What do you mean by ebbed? That means to become gradually weaker, less, decrease karna. Recede means to become, again it means to become gradually weaker or smaller. So here best answer is abated. That is abated. Next. The police fired on the mob when they dash. The police fired on the mob when they dash. Turned violent, fizzled out, became abusive, turned noisy. So here your answer is violent, turned violent. The police fired on the mob when they turned violent. Is it clear? तभी वो फायर करेगी जब वो अब वो बहुत ज़्यादा violent हो गया है. तो that's why first option they turn violent. Next. He has the full facts dash but is deliberately hiding them. He has the full facts dash but is deliberately hiding them. Up his sleeves, under his sleeves, upon his sleeves, in his sleeves. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आना चाहिए आपका up his sleeves. He has the full facts up his sleeves but is deliberately hiding them. So up his sleeves means keep something up. कि एक सीक्रेट प्लान रखना है until you need to use it. सपोज आपने किसी को बर्थडे पार्टी देनी है, उसको सरप्राइज देना है, तो एक सीक्रेट रख रहे हो जब तक वो आपने बर्थडे पार्टी उसको नहीं दी है. He has the full facts up his sleeves but is deliberately hiding them. Next. The appearance of the city dash day by day. The appearance of the city dash day by day changed, is changing, had changed, could change. So what will be the appearance of the city is changing? That is second option is changing day by day. Next. When the morning dash, the murder was discovered. When the morning dash, the murder was discovered, arrived, came, occurred, happened. So what will be the answer over here? When the morning dash, the murder was discovered. Morning क्या होगी? Arrived, came, occurred, happened. So it is came. When the morning came, the murder was discovered. Next. The smell of the seas. The smell of the sea called dash memories of her childhood. For back up on. तो यहाँ पे क्या है अब आपका क्या आना चाहिए कॉल के साथ up. Call up. That is the smell of the sea called up memories of her childhood. Call up means to bring something back to your mind. Recall करना. So here क्या आएगा memories की बात कर रही है कि sea की smell की वजह से आपको अपने childhood की memories याद आ गई तो क्या आएगा called up. That is third option. Next. He will impart no information dash anyone from for with to. अब यहाँ पे impart देखो वर्ब क्या है impart है तो impart के साथ क्या यूज होगा to. He will impart no information to anyone. That means to pass the information, knowledge, etc. to other people. Convey them. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है impart का मतलब क्या है to pass the information, knowledge, etc. The United Kingdom dash England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Comprises of comprises combines consists. So here your answer will be comprises. Second option. United Kingdom comprises England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Next. Jim suffered a dash of fortune. Jim suffered a dash of fortune. Reversal, reverse, revert, regress. So here your answer will be reversal. Jim suffered a reversal of fortune. Reversal means opposite of what it was. Opposite of what it was. Jim suffered a reversal of fortune. Next. He was dashed by nature and so avoided all company. Antisocial, timid, gregarious, cordial. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? That is timid. He was timid by nature and so avoided all company. He was timid by nature and so avoided all company. Timid means shy, nervous, rather brave नहीं है. So उन्होंने क्या कहा? He was timid by nature, so avoided all companies. Next. Jyoti refused to be dashed by her long illness. Jyoti was refused to be dashed by her long illness. Dispersed, dispensed, dispatched, dispirited. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Dispirited. Jyoti refused to be dispirited by her long illness. Dispirited means जहाँ पे कोई hope नहीं रहा है, ठीक है? There is no hope कि वो अपनी बीमारी से ठीक हो जाएगी. So here your answer is fourth option, dispirited. The new discovery is dash phenomenon. Novelly indeed always beautiful. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है? What is क्या आंसर आएगा? New discovery is dash phenomenal. यहाँ पे बोला गया एक नई डिस्कवरी की बात की कि वो phenomenal है तो क्या आएगा? Indeed. The new discovery is indeed phenomenal. Next. Over the months he dashed that he was not a good driver. Was forced to conclusion, came to the conclusion, was drawn to the conclusion, jumped to the conclusion. So here आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? Over the moments he dashed. That is, he came to the conclusion. Over the months he came to the conclusion that he was not a good driver. Next. This is a dash story. Make of, made of, made up, make up. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? कौन सा एडजेक्टिव आएगा? Made up. This is a made up story. That is third option. Made up means invented, not true. Invented, not true. Or is it clear? Then that is made up. So here your answer is a made up story. Now what do you mean by the term make off? Make off means to hurry away. It means to hurry away, especially in order to escape. Made of का मतलब क्या है? Made of already, made of means किससे बना है आपका? Is it clear? Makeup means to form something. So ये अब ये जो past tense made of है, it is a past tense of make off. Is it clear? It is a past tense of make off. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? Made up. That is third option. Coward die many times dash their death. Cowards die many times dash their death. After, before, about, for. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा? ये शेक्सपियर की कोटेशन है, इसलिए इट इज अ शेक्सपियर कोटेशन. तो वहां पे कोटेशन में आपका क्या है? बिफोर. Coward dies many times before their death. Next, we should dash the rules. We should dash the rules, cope with, conduce to, side with, comply with. तो अब क्या है यहाँ पे, इसका आंसर देखिए क्या आएगा, वी शुड डैश द रूल्स, रूल्स के साथ आप क्या करोगे, कंप्लाई करोगे, फॉलो करोगे, ओबे करोगे, तो दैट मींस यू शुड कंप्लाई विद द रूल्स. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म कोप अप? What do you mean by the cope with? Cope with manage karna. Is it clear? That is manage karna. Or you can say to deal successfully with something जो बहुत difficult था. Next term क्या है आपकी conduce to. Conduce to means, what do you mean by the term conduce to? It means to lead, to contribute. Is it to contribute? Side with means to support one person. किसी आर्गुमेंट हो रहे हैं, उस आर्गुमेंट से आप किसी पर्सन को या ग्रुप को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं अगेंस्ट समबडी एल्स. सो कंप्लाई विद मीन क्या है, टू ओबे अ रूल. इज इट क्लियर? दैट मींस टू ओबे अ रूल. सो हियर कि आप रूल्स के साथ ओबे कर रहे हो तो क्या आंसर आएगा, कंप्लाई विद. नेक्स्ट, the crop will fail dash it rains this week unless until till when. अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, क्या आंसर आएगा, देखो क्रॉप विल फेल कब, until it rains this week. तो ये क्या आएगा, सेकंड ऑप्शन आएगा, until means up to the point in time or event mentioned. तो अगर यहाँ पे अगर ये आता है if there is no rain this week crops will fail. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, crops will fail until it rains this week. Next, she decided to dash as the competition was quite stiff. She decided to dash as the competition was quite stiff. Stand out, leave, get out, stand down. So here option will be stand down. She decided to stand down as the competition was quite stiff. Stand down का मतलब क्या होता है, to leave a job or पोजीशन, किसी पोजीशन को छोड़ना, कोई जॉब को छोड़ना, दैट इज स्टैंड डाउन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्टैंड आउट? स्टैंड आउट मींस जो इजीली आप देख सकते हो, जो ज्यादा बेटर है, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट है देन समबडी और समथिंग. गेट आउट मींस लीव, सबको पता है छोड़ना. गेट आउट मींस अगेन इट मींस टू लीव और गो आउट ऑफ अ place. So she decided to stand down as the competition was quite stiff. Next, if she was selected, she dash a good secretary. Would make, will make, can make, would have made. तो अब यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? See, if she were selected, she dash a good secretary. अगर आप ये सेंटेंस देखो, ये सेंटेंस कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है. इफ क्लॉज आ गया तो कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है. तो अब जब कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में इफ क्लॉज है तो उसके साथ क्या है, पास्ट टेंस आ गया. इफ शी वर सेलेक्टेड, पास्ट टेंस आ गया. अब पास्ट टेंस के साथ क्या आएगा, that is would make. If she was selected, she would make a good secretary. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, जैसे if के साथ past tense है, would आ जाएगा आपका, प्लस verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आ जाएगी. इज इट क्लियर? फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ verb if plus past tense plus would plus first form of verb, that is would make. So first option is the answer. Next, he worked dash of his ability. He worked dash of his ability at the best, with the best, in the best, to the best. So here your answer will be to the best. That is fourth answer. He worked to the best of his ability. Again here ये to the best है, इसका मतलब क्या है, as far as possible with the best. Is it clear? Next, Chief Minister asked her officers to dash the process of procuring food for the poor from the market. Speed up, expedite, hasten, do fast. तो यहाँ पे क्या है आपका, जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है उन्होंने अपने ऑफिसर से कहा टू डैश द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोक्योरिंग फूड फॉर द पुअर फ्रॉम द मार्केट. स्पीड अप, expedite, hasten, do fast. So here your answer is speed up. Chief Minister asked her officers to speed up the process of procuring food for the poor from the market. Speed up means कोई बहुत जल्दी काम करना, ठीक है, उसकी स्पीड बढ़ाना, that is speed up. Expedite means कि प्रोसेस, कोई प्रोसेस है, उस प्रोसेस को आप बहुत जल्दी जल्दी कर रहे हो, that is expedite. So here answer is speed up. Your dash nature will aid you in attaining success in every venture you undertake. So here your option is rotan, preserving, lackadaisical, catalytical. So here answer is preserving. Your preserving nature will aid you in attaining success in every venture you undertake. Now what do you mean by preserving? कि अपना आप डिटर्मिनेशन शो कर रहे हो कुछ अचीव करने के लिए, पर्टिकुलर एम है, चाहे कितनी भी डिफिकल्टीज है फिर भी आप एक पर्टिकुलर एम है उसको अचीव करने के लिए आप पूरी डिटर्मिनेशन शो कर रहे हो. Now what do you mean by the term rotten? Rotten means having a fat round body. Having a fat round body उसको क्या बोलते हैं? rotten. थर्ड ऑप्शन देखिए लैकाडाइसिकल. लैकाडाइसिकल मींस जहां पे आप केयर नहीं शो कर रहे, इनफ केयर नहीं शो कर रहे हो. कैटालिटिक. कैटालिटिक मींस पॉजिटिव चेंज आ रहा है टू हैपन. पॉजिटिव चेंज टू हैपन. नेक्स्ट. This is our house and that is dash. तो ये क्या बोलते हो आप? This is our house and dash is and that is dash. तो क्या बोलोगे? Theirs. So first option is the answer. This is our house and that is theirs. Next, ये possessive है आपका, ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या है? Possessive case है तो इसीलिए क्या आएगा? Theirs. First option. THEIRS. Next. The publisher is bringing dash a revised edition of this book. The publisher is bringing dash a revised edition of this book. Round, out, about, up. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? क्या आएगा? Bring है, bring के साथ out आएगा. So here the publisher is bringing out a revised edition of this book. Revised edition means to produce something, to publish something. Is it clear? To produce something, to publish something. Next. She had to dash illness in order to avoid going to the party meeting. Faint, 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 faint. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? FEINT, faint. Is it clear? See, what do you पहले आप meaning देखिए. FEINT, faint means movement that is intended to make your opponent think that you are going to do one thing when you are really going to do something else. ठीक है. Faint का मतलब क्या होता है? FEINT. इट मीन्स कि जब आपका आपकी इस तरह की कोई मूवमेंट्स हो रही है जो आपका ओपोनेंट है आपको ये देख रहा है कि जो आपने किया उसके साथ आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, कुछ और भी करोगे, दैट इज फेन. नेक्स्ट क्या है? फेन. लास्ट ऑप्शन देखिए. फेन. व्हाट यू मीन बाय द टर्म फेन? FEIN मींस विलिंगली और विद प्लेजर. नाउ सी सेकंड ऑप्शन FEIGN. फेन मींस टू प्रिटेंड दैट यू हैव अ पर्टिकुलर फीलिंग, और या आप बीमार हो, सिक हो, टायर्ड हो. फेंट मतलब चक्कर आना. सो यहाँ पे आपका ऑप्शन क्या आएगा? FEIGN, that is faint. Second option, FEIGN, which means to pretend that you are having a particular feeling. Or illness. She had to feign illness in order to avoid going to the party. Next. We get milk from the dash. अब milk कहाँ से लेते हो आप? डेयरी, डेली, डेजी, डायरी से. तो ऑब्वियसली मिल्क कहाँ से लेते हो? डेयरी से लेते हो. दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, DAIRY, डेयरी. नेक्स्ट. A man from our village has been nominated dash the ruling party's candidate for the post. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? To, as, in, for. देखिए कौन सी preposition आएगी यहाँ पे? As. A man from our village has been nominated as the ruling party's candidate for the. Next. He has been staying in Delhi dash a long time. He has been staying in Delhi dash a long time for since from in till. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा? For. He has been staying in Delhi for a long time. तो यहाँ पे for आएगा. Next. John is a member of our dash who council. तो यहाँ पे अब आपका क्या आएगा? काउंसिल. काउंसिल क्या होता है? मेंबर. So John is a member of our council. That is second option. The noise of the drum beats dash and frightened the tiger. Persisted, perplexed, prevented, pertained. So here आपका क्या आएगा? Perplexed. Noise of the drum beats perplexed and frightened the tiger. That is second option, perplexed. What do you mean by perplexed? Means puzzle, make worried, confused. Isn't it? That is perplexed. The noise of the drum beats perplexed and frightened the tiger. Now, what do you mean by the term persisted? Persisted means continued, existed. Pertained का mean prevented. Third option क्या है? Prevented. Prevented means कुछ चीज पे रोक लगाना, रोकना, prevent करना कि ये काम नहीं करना. Pertained. Pertained means exist, to apply in a particular situation at a particular time. Next. If you do well in this exam next year, then my efforts dash successful. Have been, would have been, will be, has been. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? According to the sentence आपका क्या आना चाहिए? Will be. If you do well in this exam next year, then my efforts will be successful. Is it clear? तो ये future की बात कर रहे हैं, will be successful. Next. We dash not hurry. We have got plenty of time. अब यहाँ पे कहेंगे हमें जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी चाहिए, हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है. Must, would, need, should. तो क्या है? Need not. We need not hurry. We have got plenty of time. Need not means not required. Next. He set up institutions of international renown, reputation, famous. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Repute. He set up institution of international repute. That is reputation. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? आपका second option आएगा repute. He set up institution of international repute. Masked men dash a security van on the motorway. Held out, held forth, held up, held on. So यहाँ पे आपका आंसर है that is third option, held up. Masked men held up a security van on the motorway. Held up means to delay or block the movement. Now, what do you mean by the term held out? That is hauled out or held out. Last is into last, essentially in a difficult situation. हेल्ड फोर्थ मीन्स कि बहुत टाइम से, लंबे टाइम से आप बोलते आ रहे हो किसी चीज के बारे में दैट अदर पीपल माइट फाउंड बोरिंग. होल्ड ऑन, हेल्ड ऑन का मतलब क्या है? सर्वाइव करना डिफिकल्ट या डेंजरस सिचुएशन में. सो हियर योर आंसर इज हेल्ड अप, दैट इज टू डिले और ब्लॉक द मूवमेंट. सो masked men held up a security van on the motorway. Next. The cold breath of autumn had dashed the ivy leaves from the vine, and the branches remained almost bare. Stricken, strike, struck, striking. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? That is third option, struck. Cold breath of autumn had struck the ivy leaves from the vine, and the branches remained almost bare. तो यहाँ पे आंसर आपका क्या है? स्ट्रक, सॉरी, थर्ड ऑप्शन स्ट्रक. स्ट्रक का अब यहाँ पे देखो, आप ये जो स्ट्राइक और स्ट्रक है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये पास्ट है, स्ट्राइक स्ट्रक. तो स्ट्रक इज द पास्ट, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? आपका स्ट्रक आएगा. स्ट्राइक का मतलब क्या होता है? टू हैपन सडनली एंड हैव अ हार्मफुल और डैमेजिंग इफेक्ट ऑन समथिंग. इज इट क्लियर? सो हियर योर आंसर विल बी स्ट्रक. द कोल्ड ब्रीथ ऑफ ऑटम Cold breath of autumn had struck the ivy leaves from the vine, and the branches remained almost bare. Next, you take a decision. The ball is in dash now. Your coat, your net, your pocket, your garden. You take a decision. Ball is in dash now. So here your answer will be first option, your coat. Your take a decision. The ball is in your coat now. Next. He is a man of dash simplicity. Childlike, childless, childish. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Childlike. He is a man of childlike simplicity. He is a man of childlike simplicity. Next. We can dash right and wrong. We can dash right and wrong. Distinguished by, distinguished from, distinguished between, distinguished from. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका? Distinguish between. ये दो चीजों के बारे में जब आप डिफरेंस कर रहे हो तो वहां पे distinguish between आएगा. We can distinguish between right and wrong. Next. All of us are devoted dash one another for, of, at, to. तो यहाँ पे preposition क्या आएगी? To. All of us are devoted to one another. Next. Yes, Bhavni, that's true. uh, 7:30 dash is the way to the zoo. अब ये अब देखो इन्फो आपका क्या आ गया? इंटरोगेटिव आ गया है. तो अब यहाँ पे आप रास्ता पूछ रहे जू का क्या आएगा? What, which, where, when. So here which is the way to the zoo? Is it clear? Which is the way to the zoo? Yes, it is which. So guys, I'm sending you another link. Please join that.